Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to zoom and adjust views in Google Docs. This tutorial would be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, let's get started. Before proceeding with anything, please make sure that your Google Chrome is completely up to date so that we will not encounter any errors along the way. Now, as you can see right here, I'm currently in a Google Docs file. Let's say for example, these texts are very small, and as you can see, it is barely readable. Now, for instance, what I would like to do is to zoom into this text for me to be able to see it clearly. Now, how do we do that? There is actually two ways that you can do this, and I will show you both. The number one is the most simplest way. What you are going to do is to press Control in your keyboard, and using your mouse scroll wheel, just scroll upwards, like so. As you can see, as I drag the horizontal scroll bar, we can now see the texts more clearly as it is now zoomed in. Now, to zoom out, what you have to do is to press Control again on your keyboard and then the opposite. Using your mouse scroll wheel, scroll down this time. As you can see right here on the upper right corner of our screen, we got the percentage on how much we have zoomed in or zoomed out to our project. You can also zoom out if you want, like so. That is the first way that you can do it. But as what you saw, if we try to do this, the whole interface itself will zoom in as well, like this. And we do not want that to happen. An alternative that we can do is to head over to the upper panel of our screen, and as you can see on our ribbon, we got tons of options to choose from. Now, please head over to this section right here where it says 100%. This indicates the current percentage of how much we have zoomed in on our project, which in this case is currently 100% or the default one. If you would like to zoom in, just click on this icon right here. And as you can see, we have different options to choose from. Let's say for example, I would like to zoom it in 200%. As you can see, after I hit 200% on this zoom options, our document has been zoomed in without zooming in the whole interface itself. You can also do the opposite by zooming out. Click on the zoom icon, and let's say for example, I would like to decrease it by 50%. Click on the 50%, and as you can see, we have now zoomed out 50% the document. You can also choose fit, which is the most optimal one. By default, this is currently set to 100%. Now, how do we change the viewing options of this one? Currently, I am on editor mode, and as an editor, I will be able to manipulate the document. Let's say for example, delete this paragraph, insert a paragraph, however, let's say for example, I would only like this permission to be a viewer only. How do we do that? To your upper left screen, head over to this ribbon right here, in which we can see different options to choose from. There are a total of 8 options that we can choose from. From here, click on View. And from View, as you can see, we have the mode over here. By default, if you are the owner of this document, this will be set to Edit or Editing. Now, to change it to Viewing, just click on this one. A simple click would do, and now as you can see, we cannot edit the document itself, as we are now only in View mode. To change it back, you can head over to the View section once again, click on Mode, and this time, click back to Editing. And as simple as that, we have now changed the viewing options as well as zoomed in or zoomed out to our document. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and drop a like button, and also comment down your suggestions down below. If you are looking for more videos like this, we have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google Docs tutorials for you. From here, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.